short lines, clear sounds easy to follow. You can hear it again and again. Each time feels calm and clear. Part 3: The Bloody Truth of Marriage.
Night falls on the city. Nick sits alone inside. Police lights flash outside. Death feels very close now. Death feels very close now. Nick knows he needs help. Nick knows he needs help. He flies to New York. Tall buildings surround him. He meets Tanner Bolt. Tanner wears a sharp suit. He speaks calm and firm. A mirror stands nearby. Tanner fixes Nick's smile. He trains his eyes. Nick feels fake and tired. Nick feels fake and tired. He fears every wrong look. He fears every wrong look. Nick starts his own search. He drives long hours. He meets a quiet man. The man looks broken. Old photos lie on table. The man feels deep pain. The man feels deep pain. He tells his story slowly. Amy once loved him. Then everything changed. Police came one night. His life fell apart. He lost work and hope. He lost work and hope. Amy planned it all. Amy planned it all. Nick sees real fear now. Nick sees real fear now. Cameras return to Nick. A young woman speaks out. She stands before reporters. She tells their secret. Crowd gasps loud. Nick becomes the villain. Nick becomes the villain. Hate spreads very fast. Hate spreads very fast. Nick sits in studio chair. Bright lights burn his face. He wipes his tears. He admits his sins. He says, "I am bad. I am not a killer." Nick bets everything here. Nick bets everything here. Far away, Amy watches TV. She sits in a big house. Rich walls feel cold. She studies Nick's face. She likes what she sees. She likes what she sees. This is my husband. This is my husband. Control feels perfect now. Control feels perfect now. Amy walks the villa halls. Doors lock behind her. The house feels like cage. The house feels like cage. She plans a new hunt. She smiles at cameras. She bites his lip. Blood drops on skin. She hurts herself more. Pain becomes a tool. Pain becomes a tool. Night covers the villa. Music plays soft. A hidden knife waits. Bodies move close. She strikes fast. Blood floods the room. Screams die out. Amy feels calm again. Amy feels calm again. Dawn breaks outside. Amy drives home alone. Blood covers her dress. Cameras rush forward. She falls into Nick's arms. The world sees a miracle. The world sees a miracle. Police ask hard questions. Amy tells her story. Evidence feels clean. Truth stays locked inside. Truth stays locked inside. Nick feels trapped forever. Nick feels trapped forever. Amy shares one last card. She shows test result. She's pregnant now. Escaped eyes right here. Escape dies right here. Night returns again. They sit on sofa. The house feels silent. Nick asks a question. Why do we hurt? How long can this last? Amy answers slow. This is marriage. Love then hate. This is the truth. Nick feels deep fear. Nick feels deep fear. His hand strokes her hair. His eyes stay frozen.